We don't have earthquakes here. We don't have tornadoes. We don't have volcanoes, but we do have some freaky windstorms. It's what we're getting right now. Maybe 50-mile-an-hour winds out of the southwest, I think. So I am hoping none of this stuff comes down. Oh yeah, there's one little tree back there that actually I kind of wish it would come down, but it looks like it's nice and flexible. So I've got a tree up there that's a 3-topper that's kind of scary. Those usually aren't as strong. So we've lost a couple trees in our yard already due to windstorms. I lost a blue spruce that was right back there in the corner. Blew over about maybe 6 years ago. But I'll see if I can get some better footage here too. Boy. All right. It may be dangerous to be out here. Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay. Yeah. I've got everything battened down. Got all my umbrellas and plants removed. My wife was yelling